Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can change your Facebook Messenger picture without Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Messenger. So once you open Messenger, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. And here you need to click on the camera icon with your profile picture. So here you have different options, that is take photo, choose from library, use avatar. So whatever option you want to use, and if you want to take photo, click on take photo, and you simply need to take a picture and apply that onto your profile picture. And if you want, you can choose from library and you can use avatar as well. So this is a process by which you can change Messenger profile picture without Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.